This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
The coolant expansion tank and filler cap is located on the right-hand side of the engine. Slowly turn the cap anti-clockwise to relieve the pressure in the cooling system. A hissing sound will normally be heard. Wait until any pressure remaining in the system is released, then continue to turn the cap until it can be removed. Position a suitable container beneath the radiator to collect the coolant. Remove the drain plug from the coolant pipe and allow the coolant to drain into the container. When the draining is complete, mop up any spilled coolant. Remove the old sealing washer from the drain plug and fit a new one. Refit the drain plug and tighten it securely. Place absorbent rags under the radiator top hose and slacken the bleed screw. Unclip the bleed hose from the battery box, then pull the expansion tank upwards from the mounting bracket and raise it approximately 20 centimeters. Slowly fill the system using a 50-50 mixture of antifreeze and water. As bubble-free coolant emerges, gently tighten the bleed screw. Mop up any spilled coolant and remove the rag. Press the expansion tank back down into the bracket and clip the bleed hose into place. Add coolant as necessary to bring the level up to the maximum mark on the side of the expansion tank. Refit the filler cap and tighten it securely. Start the engine, run it until it reaches normal operating temperature, then stop the engine and allow it to cool. Recheck and if necessary top up the coolant level in the expansion tank.